So we have another question here from the sample Edexcel GCSE 9-1 papers. It's question 6 from the higher paper 2 and question 28 from the foundation paper 2. We're given two right-angle triangles, ABD and BCD, and we're asked to find the value of x. And the first thing that we notice is that this right-angle triangle here, we know two of the sides, which means that we can find the third side using Pythagoras. So for Pythagoras, we sum the squares of the two shorter sides, which would be this 5 centimetres for the AB, and the other side would be the BD. So we've got 5 squared, add the side BD squared, and we know that would equal the square of the hypotenuse, which is 10. So we'll do 10 squared. This gives us 25, add the square of the side BD, which will equal 100. So we want to find what this side is equal to, because then we will have two sides known for this bottom right angled triangle. And then we can use Pythagoras again to find out what x is. So we need to rearrange this equation to find out what BD is. So we need to take away 25 from both sides. So if we take 25 from the left hand side, it cancels out with this 25 and we're just left with BD squared. On the right hand side, 100 take away 25 leaves us with 75. Now I'm going to leave it like that so that we can use it straight away when we use Pythagoras for this triangle here. So doing Pythagoras again, we can add the square of DC, which is 4 squared, to the square of BD. So I'm going to write in BD squared, and we're going to sub in 75 at the next step. So with Pythagoras, we've added the two shorter sides squared, and we're going to equate it to the hypotenuse squared. So we now know that BD squared is 75, so we can sub that in. So 4 squared is 16, and then BD squared is 75, and we know that equals x squared. So 16 add 75 is going to give us 91, and that's going to equal x squared, which means our final answer will be the square root of 91, which is 9.54.